Hello. Welcome. Back in October, we started this channel thinking there's no way anybody's going to watch us. And yesterday, around 9:30 p.m., we turned over to 1,000 subscribers.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So yeah, last night it happened. 1,000 subscribers. Finally. Special thank you to Yinzer Picker and Dayton Valley Deals. I was a guest on their live stream and I had 12 to go and they really pushed hard for us to get those last 12. So really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. It means the world to us. Thank you, thank you. So we reached the 1,000 and I've been talking about this for the last, I think, like 200, maybe 300 milestone. I'm not sure. But we are going to do a giveaway today, and that giveaway is going to be this right here. It's more of a paying it forward type thing. When we got into YouTube, I knew that there was an initial investment that had to be made that you didn't really know for certain if you were going to get it back, because the only way to get monetized in YouTube is to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and you never know how long or when that's going to happen. So, and just in our case, it took just under 10 months, so 9 months. But you don't know, and you don't know if there's ever going to be that draw to your channel. So, we're going to give away this. It's a DJI Osmo action cam. DJI makes cameras for drones. They do make very good quality camera. It is a 4K 60 frames per second action cam, and it works underwater. It also has image stabilization, so if you're filming and you're shaking a little bit, or if it's mounted to you and there's a shake, it won't seem so dramatic, and that's pretty much what you need, especially if you're going to be out and about filming. Here it is right here, this little guy. It has a front-facing screen and a back-facing screen. I'll show you that it works. So there it is. Works just fine. There's me filming me right there. And then the front-facing screen right there. There's the camera filming the camera. So yeah, it works. It's in good shape. If you aren't a future YouTuber and you don't necessarily care about... Just dropped a whole bunch of stuff. If you aren't a future YouTuber and you're just an eBay reseller, the resale value on this is probably right around $100 would be my guess. It's a $300 camera, brand new, so it's certainly not a crappy camera. And we have 4 total that we use, including this one, so we'll be down to 3. But the one I'm filming on, the Canon EOS, and then there's 2 GoPros, a GoPro 9 and a GoPro 8. So we don't really need this camera, and I've been hanging on to it to give away to you on that 1,000 subscriber. But wait, that's not all. We actually have some other things that we're going to throw in with this giveaway. These are some new, hot off the press stickers designed by Superfast Tortoise. We've got this one. And we've got this one. So you will get a couple of those. You'll get one of these, which is the throwback logo at this point, because can't put it up right side up. Still didn't do it. There we go. This is a throwback logo at this point because it has been redesigned. So you will get one of these, a couple of these, and you will get the DJI Osmos camera. So how do you do it? Well, first thing you need to do, first and foremost, be subscribed to the channel. So click the subscribe button. Second thing you need to do is like the video. So click that thumbs up button. And the third thing you need to do, and then probably one of the more important ones, is you got to comment down below. And what are you going to comment? Well, we're not going to go crazy with this one. Let's just comment the number 1,000, because I've been talking about that and seeing that number in my sleep since I started this YouTube channel. So just comment the number 1,000. Make sure there's spaces on either side of it so that you don't get disqualified, because my program won't pick it up if it's not sitting there by itself. So comment the number 1,000, and that's it. That's pretty simple. So you will get the camera, stickers, and that's it. What more could you need? If you're going to be a YouTuber and you're going to do things like that, you're going to need one of these little guys. So this is like a one-stop shop. Before we get out of here, I just want to thank each and every one of you. This has been quite the journey to 1,000, and it's truly amazing that we're here. I'm amazed. And very, very humbled and very, very thankful for each and every one of you. We've been talking to you for what seems like forever. And on comments, on chats, on the live streams, it's just been great, and we appreciate each one of you guys for contributing to this channel. It's been truly wonderful. So thank you so very much to each and every one of you. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!